make a living on the race course. Fuck a nigga walking like he on the fucking court. I swing with force. See, I never said shit.
Okay. 3, 2, 1. Hi YouTube, my name is Pattiya if you've never been here before, but we are back for another Halloween video. Happy Halloween. This may be posted after Halloween, like they usually are. I've done so many of these videos in the past, so if you want to check any of them out, links below. It's just me helping you guys out figure out your costume for this year. That's probably why you stumbled upon this, because you don't know what to be. So these are very easy ideas, but this year I am becoming, oh my god, I'm so excited to say this, Shego. Love Shego. I watched Kim Possible growing up. That was my childhood TV show. Probably seen every episode of it. I don't remember anything now, but I just remember it was my shit back in the day. So we are gonna be Shego. She is a bad bitch. She's hot. Like, she is hot, and this costume is gonna be so hot, you guys. So if you're looking for something, you know, kind of scandalous, if you have dark hair especially, take advantage of this costume. I already have my base on of my makeup. I don't know if you can tell, but we're gonna split this video up into a few different parts. So first we're gonna do the makeup, then we'll do the hair, and then we're just gonna put on the costume and tie it in all together, and you'll see the final result. Oh, and also we're gonna get my mom's reaction to it, which kind of scared. She had a really good reaction when I was Maddie. Ready?
Beautiful.
You like it? You're not scared of this? This is too much, huh?
It's Halloween, whatever.
Like, wasn't that a good reaction? I don't know about this one because this one shows the butt a lot. So we're gonna see what she thinks. I'm so excited for this costume. I'm going to wing it like I usually do. I have no idea how I'm doing my makeup. Don't really know how I'm doing my hair, but we're gonna do this together. All right, let's do the makeup. I got my handy dandy James Charles palette. I love this palette. I use it for all my festival looks, Halloween looks. We are mainly gonna be focusing on all these greens right here and black. Black is scary, because I don't think you can blend that shit easily. All right, guys, let's start this eyeshadow. Let's get green up in this bee. I'm gonna use my finger, and the first thing I'm gonna do is take this light green shade. See, I'm just going in. I have no idea what's going on. It sounds like I do, but I don't. I'm gonna take this green shade right here. I don't know the name. I'm gonna do it with my finger. Hi, guys, this is my face. Oh, yeah. Ooh. Okay, that was step one, easy. I just put green eyeshadow all over my lids. Next, I am grabbing this tape right here. I'm gonna do the little tape method on my eyes real quick. I feel like I cannot blink. Okay, then I'm going in this dark green shade right here. Now I'm using brush. And I'm going to, I don't know. I'm going to do dark green on the outer corners. So the wing and up above the eye. All right, guys, this is the eyeshadow look. I'm deciding if I want to add some black, but it's kind of scary. Maybe we'll just like add a tad. It doesn't hurt to do just a little, right? So I'm taking this little angle brush, I'm putting it in the black, just right there. And we're gonna go do like another wing on top of this green wing. All right, you can kind of see that black wing right there, and I put some just in the inner corner right here. Now I'm taking that brush where we had the dark green on, and I'm just gonna blend in the black and all the greens even more. All right, well, that's blended, and I don't really know what to do next. Maybe eyeliner? Should I go thicker? If only you guys could respond in real time. I think it's fine like that. I'm so excited to take off the tape, you guys. I'm not gonna lie, I put a shit ton of eyeliner on, so I really hope it gives it that really blacked out, dark look effect. I think we might be done with the eyes. No, we need an inner corner. There's this like shimmery dark green right here that I'm gonna put in the inner corner. I wish it was a lot, actually, maybe, is it too dark? I wish it was a lot lighter, because like the inner corner is supposed to pop. Well, I'll put it on, and if I don't like it, maybe I could put something bright on top. Oh, it doesn't look bad. It doesn't look bad because it's shimmery. All right, so we got this like metallic green shade in the inner corners. I kind of want to do like black eyeshadow just like on the outer corners right here as like a bottom eyeliner situation. But we gotta take off the tape first, which is so exciting. Okay, are you guys ready? I'm excited. Okay, I'm gonna go up close so you guys can see. I hope it's satisfying. That's pretty good. You can see all the residue. One more. Ah, oh yeah. Oh my gosh, it looks so good. I should do this all the time, but it's time consuming. Okay, now I just need to fix this little tape piece. Like I need to put concealer here and just fix it up because it took off my foundation and concealer. But wow, that looks good. That looks good, honey. Okay, now we're gonna take, I use this for my inner corner with the green metallic, but I'm gonna dip some black on it. I don't know if that's the right thing to do, but so we got some black on it now, and I'm just gonna do my eyeliner right here. Just very light and smudgy. I kind of want to do green like eyeliner too. Maybe I'll take that dark green again on it and I'm gonna put it on top of the black. I don't know, blend them together. Okay, now I'm just dragging it a little bit more in the middle. So it's kind of going all the way around, but like not really. It's really faded in the middle. Okay, I don't know if you can tell, but I did do that. So this is the eye look right now. I know it's not perfect, you guys, but it's good enough for me. Now what do we do? Did I tell you what we're doing to the lips? I don't think I did. We're doing black lips because Shego has black lips. Technically she only does it on her upper lip, but we're just gonna do the whole lips because that's kind of weird. Like, I bought black lipstick just for this and I have never worn a dark lipstick in my life. This is gonna be really scary. I don't have like lip liner. I'm just gonna wing it. So I don't know, oh wait, we didn't do eyelashes. We need to do eyelashes. I will come back with eyelashes. The eyes are done. Are they though? I did my bottom lashes. Obviously I put on eyelashes. The last thing I really need to do is I need to highlight like here because this space is just blank. So I'm just taking this shade right here. It's just a bright iridescent color. And I'm just gonna put it underneath the brows. I'm also gonna put some of it just on my nose to highlight it even more. This makeup look is very dramatic to me. So everything needs to be popping out, especially for photos. So I'm making myself look fake. Like I'm making myself look like a doll. This is a lot for me, but it's Halloween, so you do you, baby. Some on the Cupid's bow because we're going in with lipstick. I thought of gems, but I'm like, no gems because we're not trying to really go for cute. We're going for more sexy. So we don't really need little gems, but this is the lipstick I bought. I have no idea what brand this is. I got it off of eBay. I'm not gonna lie. I bought the cheapest black lipstick that was matte on eBay because I'm wearing it one time and I believe it's gonna be one time only, but what if it's like really good? Should I swatch it? Yeah, I'll swatch it. I'm gonna swatch it. It looks really dark, so. Okay, I'm kind of excited to do this because it's so new to me. But at the same time, I'm really scared. I'm sorry if I've said I'm scared like 500 billion times throughout this video. It's because I really am and I don't know how else to express it. I'm scared. Do I just go for it or do I outline it? I'm gonna try to outline. This looks terrible. Like I'm scared. Like I'm not scared of doing it now. I'm just scared of myself and how I look. Whoa. Oh wow. My teeth look so white though. That's a hack. I guess if you want your teeth to look extra white, just wear dark lipstick. I wouldn't say it's the best formula, no, but it will do for today. This is so weird. Okay, I think the makeup look is done. Honestly, pretty easy. This is the makeup look. Let's look at it up close. I'm so scared the black's gonna get on my teeth. I don't know how to pose. Mean bitch resting face. That should work.
It's always you.
Okay, now it's hair time, so I'm gonna go do it. I'm just gonna curl my hair. I have a tutorial if you want to see. It's really basic. You don't need to see it. I'm gonna go do that and then I'll come back. Just wait. Just wait. It looks so good. And my dogs ruined it. I need to let them back in. Anyways, the hair, the lipstick. Oh my god, I look like Shego. My hair looks like Shego. I cannot wait till the costume goes on. I can't stop looking at myself. I'm sorry if that's like super narcissistic or whatever. I just am in love. Wow, like the volume. I'm gonna go put on the costume. I'm going to show you guys first, and then I'm gonna show my mom. Like I'm gonna call her and tell her to come downstairs, and we'll see. You guys are not ready. I'm gonna walk in 3, 2, 1. Are you kidding? It's so good, right guys? I'm talking to my pugs. They're right here looking at me like I'm crazy, but it's so good. I think this is one of my favorite costumes. I don't know if it beats my Maddie one, but it's so close. If not, it does. I go now. Tell me which one you guys like more. Do you like this one more, or do you like the Maddie Perez one from Euphoria? That one's been my favorite costume so far, but this might beat it. I need my mom to zip it up, as you can see. I love this so much. All right, guys, I'm going to call my mom now. I can't use the glove. Hey Siri, call mom. It looks so good. I think the black lipstick really looks good with it. I'm ready for you to come down, but try to close your eyes when you come in and I'll help you sit down. I want to surprise you with my outfit.
Oh my god. Okay.
Why? Why'd you say oh my god?
Because you said surprise. I don't know.
Yeah, I mean it's not gonna affect you. I just want you to see me.
Okay.
Okay, bye. I really hope she follows the rules to that because I could just see her coming in like eyes wide open. Oh my gosh, I'm kind of nervous. She's gonna freak. Are your eyes closed? Okay, keep your eyes closed. No, your eyes are open.
Of course now, I don't see nothing.
Okay, give me your hand. Don't open them. Go right here, and then the chair's right here. Okay, don't open, okay? You're not allowed. Why are you laughing?
Why?
Remember we did this 2 years ago?
I don't know, yeah.
The purple outfit, do you remember? Okay, I have to put on one glove. I'm scared.
Come on now.
Okay, hold on. Just stay in the chair. I'm gonna back you up just a little bit. Just, okay. Just because the camera.
Oh my god, I don't want to be in the camera.
You're fine. Okay, okay. 3, 2, 1.
Oh my god.
Isn't it so good? Do you know what I am?
No.
This doesn't look familiar to you?
No.
Why'd you say, oh my god, is it bad?
No, it's cool.
My butt is out though.
Oh my god.
I'm not gonna wear this out, I don't think.
Why not? You already bang.
I'll show you what I am. Maybe you'll remember. It's from a kid's show. I know that doesn't make any sense, but...
Cool.
You think it's cool?
Mm-hmm.
Does this look familiar to you?
Oh yeah.
You know what this is?
Yeah.
What show is it?
Like
It's Disney.
Disney. I'm watching it.
It's called Kim Possible.
Yeah. That's
Yeah, that's what I am. I have the black hair.
Where you gotta go?
Nowhere. 1 to 10, what do you think? What's your, actually, I asked you this last time. What's your favorite part of the whole thing? Your favorite part could be hair, makeup, outfit, I don't know.
The whole thing I like.
That's what you said last time. You have to pick one.
Hair, makeup, and the dress.
Names the whole thing. I need you to actually zip me up.
The shoe or whatever.
Oh yeah, I have my heels.
Different.
Okay, I'm gonna kick you out and I'm gonna finish my video and then we can film.
Okay.
Wait, you never told me 1 to 10.
I said 10 pass. This time.
10 plus.
Last
Okay.
time is okay.
The purple one?
Yeah.
Oh, she likes this one more. yeah, that's the end, guys. What do you think of this costume? Let me know down below. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you're gonna be Shego, now you know everything you need for it. I will list where I got this costume, but unfortunately I think it might be sold out, and this is actually custom. So yeah, I know, like, who am I? I'm not Kim Kardashian, but I was just afraid if I ordered one, it would look saggy in some areas. So I just was like, take my money. This will be worth it. I'll be able to look at this when I'm 6 years old, like, damn, that was a hot costume. And it was cool. So it's worth it. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you think I nailed the video, give it a thumbs up. And if you aren't already, subscribe. I always upload a Halloween video every year, so this is this year's 2022. We did it. All right, I'm gonna take some pictures and we'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.